Hello, my dear friends. Today I want to share something truly remarkable with you. What if I told you there was a simple white powder sitting in your kitchen right now that could revolutionize your nighttime health routine? What if I told you this humble ingredient has been used for generations to heal, restore, and rejuvenate the body while you sleep? What if I told you that most doctors will never share these incredible nighttime secrets with you? This is baking soda, and tonight we're going to uncover 9 remarkable benefits of using it before bed that could change everything about how you feel when you wake up. But that's not all. We're also going to reveal the perfect ways to use baking soda at night and share some powerful tips for maximizing its healing potential. So if you're ready to discover why nighttime is the most magical time to harness baking soda's power, stay with me for this eye-opening journey. Before we dive into these life-changing secrets, please take a moment to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your loved ones who need this information, and subscribe to our channel for more natural health truths. Just a quick reminder, the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Now let's explore these incredible nighttime baking soda benefits one by one, starting with benefit number 1, alkalizing your body while you sleep. You see, my dear friends, most of us go to bed with acidic bodies. We've spent the day consuming foods, dealing with stress, and exposing ourselves to environmental toxins that create an acidic state in our system. Disease loves an acidic environment. It thrives there like weeds in fertile soil. When you take a small amount of baking soda before bed, you're giving your body the gift of alkalinity during those crucial overnight hours. Just half a teaspoon in a glass of pure water taken about an hour before sleep can help shift your body's pH toward the alkaline side of the scale. This creates an environment where healing can flourish and disease cannot take hold. I've seen people experience remarkable improvements in their energy levels, joint comfort, and overall vitality simply by incorporating this simple practice into their evening routine. The body uses these alkaline minerals to neutralize acids and support cellular repair throughout the night. Benefit number 2, enhancing digestive rest and repair. Our digestive system works incredibly hard during the day, breaking down foods, absorbing nutrients, and dealing with whatever we've consumed. By evening, it needs support to complete its work and prepare for restoration. Baking soda acts as a gentle digestive aid, helping to neutralize excess stomach acid that might otherwise cause discomfort during the night. Many people suffer from acid reflux, heartburn, or indigestion that disrupts their sleep. A small amount of baking soda can provide natural relief without the harmful side effects of pharmaceutical acid blockers. But here's what's truly beautiful about this. When your digestive system isn't fighting excess acidity all night long, it can focus its energy on repair and regeneration. The gut lining can heal, beneficial bacteria can flourish, and your entire digestive tract can reset for the next day. Benefit number 3, supporting kidney function during sleep. Your kidneys are working tirelessly through the night, filtering toxins and maintaining the delicate balance of minerals and fluids in your body. Baking soda provides crucial support for these hard-working organs. When your body is too acidic, your kidneys must work overtime to eliminate excess acids through the urine. This can be exhausting for these vital organs over time. By providing alkaline support with baking soda, you're giving your kidneys a helping hand in maintaining proper pH balance. I've worked with many people who've experienced improvements in their kidney function markers simply by supporting their bodies with gentle, alkalizing practices like nighttime baking soda. The kidneys can focus on their essential filtering work rather than constantly battling acidity. Benefit number 4, promoting deeper, more restful sleep. This might surprise you, but the alkalizing effect of baking soda can actually promote better sleep quality. When your body is in an acidic state, it creates a subtle stress response that can interfere with deep, restorative sleep cycles. Excess acidity can cause restlessness, frequent waking, and that feeling of being tired even after a full night's sleep. By gently alkalizing your system before bed, you're creating internal conditions that support natural sleep patterns. Many people report falling asleep more easily and experiencing deeper, more refreshing sleep when they incorporate this simple practice. It's as if the body can finally relax completely when it's not fighting internal acidity. Benefit number 5, supporting detoxification pathways. During sleep, your body's natural detoxification systems kick into high gear. Your lymphatic system becomes more active, your liver processes toxins more efficiently, and cellular waste removal accelerates. Baking soda supports all of these crucial processes. The alkaline environment created by baking soda helps neutralize acidic toxins, making them easier for your body to eliminate. It also supports the function of your lymphatic system, which is like your body's internal cleaning crew working primarily during rest hours. Think of it as giving your body's janitors the right tools to do their job effectively. When toxins are properly neutralized and eliminated during sleep, you wake up feeling refreshed and energized rather than sluggish and foggy. Benefit number 6, balancing blood sugar levels overnight. Many people experience blood sugar fluctuations during the night, which can disrupt sleep and create morning fatigue. Baking soda can help stabilize these levels by supporting proper insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism. When your body is too acidic, it can interfere with insulin function, making it harder to maintain steady blood sugar levels. By providing alkaline support, you're creating conditions that promote better glucose regulation throughout the night. This is particularly beneficial for people who wake up feeling shaky, anxious, or unusually hungry. These can be signs of blood sugar imbalances that baking soda may help address naturally. Benefit number 7, reducing inflammation while you sleep. Chronic inflammation is at the root of so many health challenges we face today, from joint pain to heart disease to autoimmune conditions. The beautiful thing about baking soda is its natural anti-inflammatory properties, which work particularly well during the body's nighttime repair phase. Acidic conditions in the body promote inflammation, while alkaline conditions help reduce it. By taking baking soda before bed, you're providing your body with 8 hours of anti-inflammatory support while you sleep. I've witnessed people experience significant reductions in morning stiffness, joint discomfort, and general inflammation markers simply by incorporating this gentle alkalizing practice into their routine. Benefit number 8, supporting immune system function. Your immune system does some of its most important work while you sleep. This is when immune cells patrol your body, identify threats, and coordinate repair efforts. An acidic internal environment can hamper these crucial immune functions. Baking soda creates the alkaline conditions that immune cells prefer for optimal function. It's like providing your internal army with the ideal environment to do their protective work effectively. Many people notice they get sick less often and recover more quickly from minor ailments when they support their bodies with regular alkalizing practices. The immune system simply functions better in a balanced, slightly alkaline environment. Benefit number 9, promoting cellular repair and regeneration. Perhaps most importantly, baking soda supports the fundamental processes of cellular repair and regeneration that occur primarily during sleep. Every cell in your body needs the right pH environment to function optimally, repair damage, and create new healthy components. When cells are bathed in acidic conditions night after night, their ability to heal and regenerate becomes compromised. This can accelerate aging, reduce vitality, and make the body more susceptible to disease. By providing alkaline support through the night, you're giving every cell in your body the optimal conditions for repair, regeneration, and optimal function. It's like providing the perfect workshop environment for your body's internal repair crew. How to use baking soda safely at night. Now, my dear friends, let me share the proper way to use baking soda for these nighttime benefits. Start with just 1/4 teaspoon of pure, aluminum-free baking soda in a full glass of clean water. Take this about 1 hour before bedtime, not immediately before lying down. It's important to start slowly and listen to your body. Some people may need to begin with even less, perhaps just a pinch, and gradually increase as their body adjusts. Always use pure baking soda without additives, and make sure you're drinking plenty of pure water throughout the day. If you're taking any medications, particularly those for high blood pressure or heart conditions, please consult with a healthcare provider before beginning this practice, as baking soda can affect sodium levels. Remember, consistency is key with natural healing approaches. Give your body time to respond and adjust.
Many people begin noticing improvements in their sleep quality and morning energy levels within just a few days, while deeper benefits may take several weeks to fully manifest. The beauty of natural healing lies in its simplicity and gentleness. Baking soda is one of nature's most accessible alkalizing agents, and when used wisely, it can provide profound support for your body's natural healing processes. These 9 benefits we've discussed today represent just a fraction of what happens when we support our bodies with proper pH balance. From better sleep to enhanced detoxification, from reduced inflammation to stronger immunity, the nighttime use of baking soda can be a game changer for your health journey. I encourage you to try this simple practice and observe how your body responds. Keep a journal of your sleep quality, morning energy levels, and any other changes you notice. Your body has an incredible capacity for healing when given the right support. Before I close, I want to remind you once again, if this information has been valuable to you, please share it with others who could benefit. Hit that subscribe button to stay connected with more natural health wisdom, and give this video a thumbs up if it's helped you understand the power of simple natural remedies. Remember, my dear friends, your health is your greatest wealth, and sometimes the most powerful healing tools are right there in your kitchen cupboard. Sweet dreams, and here's to your vibrant health and vitality.